Some of Rochester's most interesting homes tell you something about the people who built them. In 1958, the Feinblums made a very intentional decision. They hired Rochester's noted architect, Don Hershey, to create something different on one of the area's premier streets. What's remarkable is that, nearly 70 years later, the house still feels current. Welcome to 200 Ambassador Drive. The moment you first arrive, you begin to notice details that aren't particularly common today. Curved entry walls, for instance, make a dramatic first impression. Natural light moves throughout the home. Sight lines pull you from one space to the next. And everywhere you look, there's a relationship between the architecture and the outdoors. What I appreciate most is that, despite the home's architectural pedigree, it never feels formal or precious. It feels comfortable. And while the architecture remains true to Hershey's original vision, the home also has been thoughtfully brought back to life with more than $300,000 invested in renovations over the past 6 years. The updated kitchen, the family room with a wood-burning fireplace and wet bar, the screened porch, expansive patio spaces, and first-floor primary suite all feel connected and designed around the way that people actually live. With 4 bedrooms and more than 3,000 square feet, this is the kind of home that rarely becomes available because there simply aren't many like it. 200 Ambassador Drive, a home designed not around trends, but around living well. If you have questions in regard to this property or real estate in general, give me a call, 330-8750.